How to clear search history on Google Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear all the search history on Google Earth. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Earth app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, on the pop-up menu, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as clear search history. So just tap on it, and after that on the confirmation message, confirm your decision by tapping on clear again, and that's it. That's how you can delete your search history on Google Earth. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.